Hello teachers and staff. This video here is going to show you something new added to the announcements section of the Mesa High School school-wide course that all teachers should have access to. If you don't happen to have access to the PLN, please just email myself or Sarah Baum and we can add you to the PLN. So it's a very quick video. I'm sorry for making it so quick, but what we can do is once we go into the PLN and come to student announcements, the new section that's been added has allowed you to view submissions after you submitted them. So you're always able to edit once you submit your announcement. If you find that the date is wrong or what you wrote was wrong, you're always able to edit it. At the end of the form, there's a link to go back and edit your response. But if you're simply going to check and see how many responses and emails have I sent, you can simply click on the View Announcement Form Submissions. And this will open up a view-only form where you can scroll through and see what announcements you've submitted and the dates that they will be run. The purple ones are color-coded for tomorrow, and yellow are run for today, so you can do a quick glance to see what announcements will run in the announcements. So thanks again. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this helps.